Land owned, 3-bedroom, 3 full baths home in Casa Loma is ready for you to move in. Originally a 2-bed, 2-bath, the addition expanded the square footage to approximately 1,200 square feet of heated space. New carpet just installed and the appliances are updated, refrigerator 3 years, stove 2 years, and air conditioner 3 years. The roof was replaced in 2018 and the carport beams were reinforced 5 years ago. A spacious utility room has a small workshop area, washer/dryer and plenty of storage. Recreational amenities and community pool included in HOA fee. Taxes for 2020 are not homesteaded and estimated at $807 per year.